Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Car View. So normally I show you how to fix things, or I advise you on what to do. Basically I always give you help basically, but today's one is just a little mess around video basically. This is the fuel filter sorry, out of an Audi A5. In one of my other videos we changed it. I just want to take it out and see exactly what's inside of it, because well, I've never really took one apart, and I thought may as well have a go at it today. And I'm sure there's a few people out there that found this interesting. So anyway guys, I grinded it open. So I grinded the edges and it's still pretty damn tight together. So by the way guys, you can't smell this, but this absolutely stinks of diesel, which isn't so just empty on the inside really. And then it's like a filter, it's like a normal filter, like an air filter type thing, just for diesel. Let's see if we can get this side one out. Well, this one's already broke before it's out. Let's still try and put a bit of pressure on it. Doesn't look like it's coming out, but it isn't clean at all. Obviously, there's still diesel coming out of it, and I'm sure you can see off the gloves and that it is really dirty. So it's paper really, like it's just coming away very easy. Some of you might be like, oh, you do cars, you never. Well, to be fair with you, I've never really had the time to open one of these out and look inside, but while it's all gathered there, you can see all the gunge that was inside of this one, and it is absolutely disgusting. But so I can't get that out guys. I think when I've done it, it's probably heated up and stuck in there, but it is proper dirty. So basically that's what the fuel filter consists of. Two pieces of plastic. Fuel obviously comes into there, circulates whatever around here. This is always on there like that, and just goes round. So that's what it looks like basically.